And then the next award is our Teamwork Award, which is always one of my favorite awards because it highlights so many of our employees working together. It was very difficult. This was our longest deliberation. And so with that, we have decided the Resilient Communities Project was the recipient for this year's 2016 Peer Awards, and Tom Vallenga is going to come up and speak on their behalf.
I'm so happy to be here to talk about the team that put together and ran the Resilient Communities Project. It's a big team. We have 16 project leads identified on this. They're not all here, but we have some representatives. Nate Cabot, as you know, was the guy who heard about this opportunity and put together the first application. We failed the first year. He persevered. He talked his boss, Paul Moline, into it. Paul supported him. Second year they got it right, they won. They beat out other communities in the state. And now, here we are in May of 2016. That team won a national award, as you heard a month ago, in which they beat out other communities across the nation that had participated in similar partnerships. So we've got 16 project leads. We've got 30 projects. Each project served a city or the school district or a Southwest Transit or the CDA or the Historical Society or a raft of departments in the county. I want to run through some numbers for you. And I understand that, Mr. Chair and Commissioners, you know a lot of this already, but I figure I'm speaking to the public as well, the folks who pay the taxes, and I want them to know that they got a really good deal on this project. So here are some numbers. We've had 30 projects in which we partnered with the University of Minnesota on 50 courses across 8 colleges at the university and 22 departments. 350 students at the University of Minnesota participated in this project and helped out Carver County and Chaska and Victoria, Southwest Transit, CDA, and the Historical Society. In our most conservative estimate of the value of that consultation with the students and faculty of the University of Minnesota, we estimated, again, this is the most conservative estimate, around $400,000 in value. These are not just undergraduate students, these are also graduate students at the Carlson School of Management, for example, and in archaeology and in environmental stewardship and in many other departments of the university. What's the value to the county in human terms, in terms of human well-being? In the words of the old ad, it's priceless. Because each project elevated our knowledge base, elevated our principles, our standards. We're going to be working on the results of this project for months and years to come. And we'll be coming back to the board to let you know the results of all 30 projects. We're still harvesting the learning, but some examples consist of improvements in the way we measure results in the county, improvements in the way we take our strategic plan and turn it into execution and implementation of our strategic operating system, a better understanding of the folks who live in our mobile home trailer parks in terms of their mental health needs, their public health needs. And we could go on down the list for 28 projects more. I would love to go on a lot longer, but I know you don't have much time, so I'm going to stop there. And I want to ask you to join me in congratulating this team. This is a really unique project. This is an extraordinary project. It doesn't happen very often. And I congratulate them for their courage and their extra hours that they put in. Each member of the team put in extra hours. And then they had to coordinate the project across 4 divisions of the county and a number of public entities throughout the county. It's a very complex project with a great scope. So it was a great management challenge for them. So I'll stop now, but thank you for joining me in celebrating these terrific colleagues here at Carver County.